Alright guys, in today's video we are going to be wrapping our 2017 Yamaha R1. Should be pretty simple. Luckily the Yamaha R1 doesn't have a whole lot of fairings. I feel like the toughest part is going to be the tank, but I'm going to wait on that. I'm going to have a buddy of mine help me with that one. Though if you're new to the channel and you have not yet subscribed, well, consider doing so because it's free and you guys can always change your mind later. What I'm going to do is we're going to want to clean the part that we're going to install this onto. I think the first thing that I'm going to do is this very small part right here, because I feel like it's going to be really hard to mess it up. So I'm just going to spray with some water and then I'm going to wipe it down, try to get as much of that loose dirt, and then I'm going to use rubbing alcohol to really clean the surface thoroughly so we can get all the oils and all that stuff out of the bike. I recently had washed the bike, so it should be pretty clean. So next step, we're just going to clean it with some rubbing alcohol and we should be good to start. Alright, so I went ahead and did the first panel, probably one of the easier panels to do, and it came out pretty cool. It's actually pretty simple to put these on. They're kind of cut to size, so I kind of want to move to one that's a little bit more difficult, which is the rear wing, or this spoiler deck thing. So I'm gonna do that next and see how it comes out. Alright, this one was a little tricky just because of kind of how like the top part kind of like bends. It took me a little bit of time to get it and I still don't feel like I got it how I wanted it, but it's okay, it's gonna have to do. It's not too bad, but it is a bit tricky to get everything. I mean, once you put on the heat, I think it does what it's supposed to. This is all new to me. I've never done this kind of work before. So what I'm gonna move on to do next, I'm gonna try to do one of these, see kind of how it comes out, and then I'm gonna move on from there. So let's get to it. Alright, so I went ahead and did another one off camera just to kind of get a better idea of what this one was going to be like. So the cool thing about it is they split it into two parts, so it's not one piece that you have to put together. So I think it came out pretty good. I'm getting the hang of it. My buddy's going to come by and help me with the bigger parts because these seem like it requires a lot more knowledge and more skill set than I may have. It's been super easy so far, so I'm not super concerned on the quality. This man forgot his freaking bag. Unbelievable. My buddy was just here and he just forgot his bag. That's crazy. Let me give him a call and then I'll get back to you guys. Right, so this is how far we've gotten. It's looking really good. I mean, honestly, I was really afraid of how it was going to come out, but it's been pretty simple. You just gotta take your time with it, line it up correctly, and everything is gonna be good. So let's just finish up the tail, which is probably the fastest part. She should be coming along here soon. Alright guys, and with that being done, I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. Just wanted to kind of like catch you up on, like I said earlier, about the things that I've done to the bike. I've added the lever guards. That's really been the only thing that I've added to the bike since you guys last seen it. Do want to say that I don't know if you guys have noticed, but the R6 and the dirt bike are gone. I ended up selling those. Want to move on to different things, want to do better and bigger things, and hopefully I can bring you guys along for the ride. So if you guys enjoyed this video, if you guys liked it, leave it a comment, give it a like, subscribe, and then just put down in the comments what you guys want me to do next. With that being said guys, I hope you guys have a beautiful day. It is 2022 now by the time you guys are watching this video, so just remember, do things If you're gonna do something, make sure you go out and do it big. Never fall short. And if you fail at something, that's okay. Just continue pushing, continue doing you, and before you know, you'll be where you want to be. So guys, peace.